Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how secure is Emma. Emma is a popular money management and budgeting app that connects to your bank accounts and financial institutions to give you an overview of your money. Its security is a key concern for users. Data security and encryption. Emma uses bank-level encryption and security measures. This means that data transmitted between the app and its servers and your financial institutions is encrypted using the same standards banks use. Emma employs 256-bit TLS encryption, which is a highly secure protocol. Your data is also stored securely using encrypted servers. Read-only access. It's crucial to understand that Emma typically uses read-only access to your bank accounts. This means they can view your transactions and balances, but they cannot move money or initiate any payments. You connect your accounts via open banking APIs in the UK and Europe, or similar secure integration methods, which are designed to be safe. User authentication. The app itself is protected by your device's security features, such as passcode, fingerprint, Touch ID, or facial recognition, Face ID. This adds a layer of security to prevent unauthorized access if your phone is lost or stolen. Regulation and authorization. Emma Technologies Limited is a registered account information service provider, AISP, with the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. This regulatory oversight means they must adhere to strict rules regarding data handling and security. Data privacy. Emma adheres to GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, standards, which are among the strictest data privacy laws globally. They commit to never selling your personal or financial data to third parties. In summary, while no online service can guarantee 100% security, Emma employs industry-standard, bank-level security measures and uses read-only access to your accounts, significantly limiting risk. Their compliance with FCA regulations and GDPR provides additional assurance regarding data handling and privacy. As with any financial app, using a strong, unique password and keeping your device secure are your own best practices. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.